Hi everybody, welcome back to Book Talk in Notion Press. Here we are with Mr.
Ravi, Soni,
Author of
4 a.m. at Bangalore International Airport.
Right. So sir, how is it visiting the world's largest book fair?
It's great. I'm feeling amazed to visit this World Book Fair and especially to the Notion Press stall.
Right.
It's
So can you tell us a little bit more about 4 a.m. in a Bangalore airport?
Yeah, it's a story of a Vihari boy who moved from his home for the pursuit of IIT and he went to Kota. There he fall in love with a girl. He experienced first kiss, first love, and then after that he went to Bangalore where he joined engineering college. And there he experienced ragging, hostel fight, bunking the class to explore new places, and death experience also. He experienced paranormal activities and ghost meetups like that. And then after that, again moved to another field of software industry, where he again meet another person to whom he fall in love with her, and there was like a romance between them. Life was very beautiful, and one fine day, he finds some unhidden truth about that girl, and then after that, they reach to the Bangalore International Airport. So you will have to read the book to understand what happens actually in the book and why the title is there. That is Bangalore 4 a.m. at Bangalore International Airport.
Wow. Right. So if you have any advice to give for our community of writers, what would that be?
Start writing the book. Start from page 1, and slowly it will become a book.
So just do it and everything will fall in place.
Everything, yes.
Right. Thank you so much for sharing that with us.
And love is always beautiful.
Absolutely. Congratulations on
Thank
publishing
you.
your book. I hope you have a wonderful book.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.